Hey there, Dr. Dave, how are you? I'm the RV Dummy, and I've got a couple of winter travel tips for you if you're RVing or camping or anything like that, so stand by. Hey there, welcome back. Dr. Dave, the RV Dummy. And pardon my little nasal strip here. I put it on a little while ago because I just want to be breathing a little bit better. We got a big snowstorm here in Salt Lake City right now as I'm standing here, and I'm trying to do a lot of nasal breathing. I'm breathing through my nose more so than my mouth, so using nasal strips sometimes. So ignore that, please. That's not what this video is about. So a short time ago, we took our RV out of storage because we were going to Arches National Park, a beautiful early March camping trip. And around here, it's a great thing to do because we miss the crowds. I just don't like to go there in the summer. It's way too crowded with tourists coming in from all over the place. So we live only about 3 hours away from Arches here. 3 hours plus, 3.5 hours from Arches, and we just figured it would be a great time to go. However, I neglected to put my RV back in storage after that trip, and it's just been sitting outside of my house here. And wouldn't you know, we've had like record snowfall this year in Utah, and we're getting hammered right now and yesterday, and the van is just sitting here, and there's no way I'm going to be driving it in the snow back to the storage place, which is about 25 minutes away on a 20 or 25 minutes away on a good day. I'm not interested in that. So it's just right out here outside my house, snowing like crazy. But what I did, I made sure it started up. I started the regular engine, the regular chassis engine, to start the van up. Let it run for a little while to make sure everything was okay. And I also, as I'm doing right now, I'm running the generator, and I'm going to run it for about an hour because with all this snow and cold, I'm just afraid if I don't exercise the generator, it's going to freeze up, or not really freeze up per se, but it won't really. It'll be hard to start next time I do it once it's a little bit warmer. So it started up perfectly. I mean, I couldn't have asked for anything better. I had some service done on it. You might remember late last season, I actually went to Cummins, which is about 20 minutes from here, like a big service center for generators and diesel engines and things like that, and they replaced the carburetor, and ever since then it's been running like a charm. It just purrs along like a kitten, no problem whatsoever. So I want to be nice to it, and I want to continue to exercise my generator. So I'm going to right now it's been running for about 15 minutes only, and I'm going to take it to at least an hour, so another 45 minutes. Let that thing keep purring away like crazy. I did check the inside for leaks, because you know, when all this snow, let me just show you here, all the snow accumulates on the top of the rig like that. Once it does start to melt, you know, there's a very good chance that it could find its way in through some type of small opening or leak or something like that. But I've been checking it, and it's been totally dry inside. Totally dry, nothing leaking. It's really good, and I'm just kind of maintaining them. I check it all the time to make sure everything's good. And I think if you have an RV that's finds itself out in the snow like this one right here, just do the simple things. Maintain it, make sure it starts up, run the generator, check for leaks. What else? I don't feel I need to really run the heat in there right now. It is winterized, so I'm not really worried about any kind of freezing up of water in any tanks. There's no water in any tanks, and it is winterized. So I blew everything out quite some time ago, and it's just got a little bit of the pink stuff in there as insurance. But I'm not even concerned about anything freezing up there. But if you just exercise some common sense and take good care of it, and don't ignore it. Don't ignore it, just stay on top of it, exercise some common sense, and do the things that I just mentioned. And maybe you can think of some more. If you do have some more ideas, just write them in the comment below. I think you're going to be okay. And if you're living in Southern California or Florida or Arizona, then you can just ignore this video, at least for now. Okay, guys, I love you all. Dr. Dave, the RV Dummy, coming from you from very snowy Salt Lake City, Utah. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.